the green curry paste, we will need roasted coriander seeds, roasted cumin seeds, roasted black peppercorns, galangal, turmeric and coriander root, lemongrass, garlic and shallot, uh, green chilies, and shrimp paste. So let's first roast the cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and black peppercorns. So we toast them until they start cracking and we can smell their aroma about 1 or 2 minutes. Mine are done, so I will transfer them to my pestle and mortar. And let them rest a bit so they cool down. Until then, we can start chopping and preparing the rest of the ingredients. So the shallots we can roughly chop everything because anyway it's going to the pestle and mortar. Turmeric, galangal, coriander root, a bit of lemongrass, garlic, the one, clear the stems of chilies. So the green chilies are going to make the color of the green curry. So we want to use more of them. If we use so few chilies, our green curry will be like yellow or white. So first we need to pound our roasted ingredients with some salt. So I add the salt so it's going to be easier to pound. When we pound together these ingredients, we can add the rest of our ingredients. So the garlic, the shallots, turmeric, galangal, lemongrass, and chilies. So after a few minutes, we will get a smooth paste. So now we will just put there the last ingredient, the shrimp paste. Like half of a tablespoon. So we have our green curry paste ready. So now we will roughly chop our chicken. We can leave the skin on because it will give us more flavor and fats in our curry. Now we can start cooking. I will add to the wok, the hot wok, uh, coconut oil and some little oil too. Open a can of coconut milk, and I will add that coconut milk to the wok. Not everything of it, just the half. Now I will add our green curry paste. Cook a little bit, and now we can add the chicken. So we let it boil, and now we have time to chop the rest of the ingredients until the chicken is cooking. The traditional green curry recipe uses the Thai eggplant, which is like little balls. But if you can't find it, you can find it in a Asian grocery store. But if you can't find it, you can substitute it with the regular eggplant or zucchini. It's also good. You can't find it. But this is the traditional version. So again, I will remove the stems and cut it in smaller pieces. I like to cut it in all sizes. If the curry is too thick, we can add some bouillon. I really like to use the the chicken bouillon powder. Really, really good. You can find it in a Asian supermarket also. So just put some of it in the water. And we can pour this mixture, part of it, to your curry. Meanwhile, don't forget to cook the rice. I really like to use the rice cooker because it's really easy to make rice with it. It takes like half a minute to wash it and to press the button, and you can forget about it later. You can also cook whole meals in the rice cooker, some meat with veggies, with rice, or even I saw some recipes for some sweets and desserts. Okay, so let's check green curry. You see there is The oil is separated already, and our chicken is cooking nicely. Okay, now I will add a little bit of the bouillon powder, the bouillon. So it's now boiling, so we can add the rest of the coconut milk. It in. We can add now the eggplant and the kaffir lime leaves. I should have uh, put them in water earlier, but I think it's fine this way also. If you have the fresh kaffir lime leaves, you can remove the stems from them, and that way you can eat it more easily, like with the stem on. Okay. So add palm sugar. I don't measure, I will taste it. The palm sugar is like a bit different, like or the white sugar or the brown sugar. It tastes more like honey, and it have the texture like honey also. I really like to use it in cooking. And also now we can add the fish sauce. I have a big canister of fish sauce here, so just use the filling and we will taste it. Okay, let's taste it. Yes. So you can also add some some MSG to it if you like. I will add a little bit because it's already tasty, and the chicken stock had some MSG in it also. I like to add MSG to the meals I cook because it makes them really good. So let's boil this a little bit more so the eggplant cooks through. And in the end, we'll put some Thai basil to it. I have refrigerated the Thai basil, so it's not fresh. I couldn't find it this time in the Asian store, but it will add some flavor to this also. So in the end, you can add the Thai basil. Okay, so I think this is ready. So I will taste it the last time. Yeah, it's ready. So you can turn off the heat. Okay, so now let's plate it. In Thailand, we ate it like the rice separately and the curry separately. They like to put it on the curry on the rice because I like the sauce mixing with the rice. This is my version of the Thai green curry. So let's taste it. The chicken is tender and the curry is delicious. Mm, it's really good. So if you like this video, this is my first video, longer video on YouTube. So please let me know if I make more recipe videos. If you liked it, have a great day and try this. It's awesome.